Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here with some happy mail that I received from Michelle. Michelle is Bay Area Crafts here on YouTube and on Instagram. Hi Michelle, if you're watching, and thank you so very much for going out of your way to do this for me. A little backstory, I think I posted on one of her videos when she was showing something that I had been to several stores in my area to look for it and I was able to find it. So she said if she went back to TJ Maxx, she'd look for me, and she did that. So I thought that was so really sweet of you. Thank you so much. And then I got this little box from her, and I wanted to open it with y'all. So let's start here. And there's a card. How cute that is. I think this matches it looks similar. Hold on, let me see what she's got to say. That's a cute card. Thank you. I couldn't believe I found a card. She said she couldn't believe she found a card that matched the bingo cards. Yep, it is the little things. Oh, thanks, Michelle. That was so nice. She just sent me a little note here with the card. Oh my gosh, look how cute. She sent me some chocolates from Lindt. The elves, how cute they are. My husband will probably like those. Let's see what else we got. Let's go down here. She gave me some goodies, which was totally not necessary because this is the only thing. Oh, yay, I can't wait. It was the only thing that I was expecting from her. So thank you, Michelle. That's so nice of you. She gave me the bows from Hobby Lobby, the little pink cars, and the presents. These are so pretty. Thank you so very much. And actually, I didn't get any of these this year. So nice to have those. Let's see what else we got. A little box she must have put together. So cute. Let's open it up. Oh boy, there's like a bunch of, what you call them? Gift tags in here for my presents. She's got some shreds and some pom-poms down in there. Let's look. How cute these are. Thank you so much. I'll definitely be able to use these in my, oh, I love swans, you know. Thank you so much. Oh gosh, those are so cute. Really, really cute. Oh my goodness. I love these. Thank you so much. Oh, that's a nice gift. And so what Michelle was really after for me was this bingo game right here. And let me move that out of the way. And for those of you who haven't seen it, it's called Baking All the Day Bingo. And see if I can, ouch, ouch, broke my nail. Ouch, that hurt. Here we go. I just broke my nail right there. Okay, so it comes with the bingo cards for the game. Hold on, they're stuck a little. And these are what they look like. These are so cute. I don't know which way to go. They are so adorable. Yeah, when I saw this, I think I first saw it on Wendy's channel and then again on Michelle's channel. I was like, oh, I want to have that. So cute. Very cute. And then it comes with the bingo markers, which are these right here. So you just punch those out so you can mark your spots. But this is what the cutest part of this set is. Well, the cards are cute too, but these are super cute. The bingo cards, they're pink and they have all the little things where you put your markers on. And these are so cute. I can't wait to do something I have in my head for these. So Michelle, thank you so very much. It was so nice of you. I can't tell you how nice that is. That's what I love about our community is people are just genuinely courteous and nice and do nice things for each other, and I totally appreciate that. So thank you all for watching. Hope you have a great day, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.